Hey friends, today we're going to learn about something really important that helps keep your messages, photos, and even money safe when you use the internet. It's called cryptography and network security. Sounds big? Don't worry, we'll break it down with a story and make it super simple. Imagine you're sending a secret message. Let's say you want to send a secret message to your best friend. Meet me at the treehouse at 5. But you're afraid someone else might read it on the way. Uh-oh, what if your little brother sees it and tells everyone? So you decide to scramble the letters into a code. Instead of writing the message directly, you write something like NRGYMJYMJXFY5. Now only your best friend who knows the secret way to unscramble it can read it. That's what cryptography is. What is cryptography? Cryptography is the art of writing and solving secret codes. Here's a simple definition. Cryptography is the science of securing information so that only the intended person can read it. It's like using a lock and key, but for messages and data. This idea has been used for thousands of years. In fact, one of the most famous ancient people to use cryptography was Julius Caesar. He used something called the Caesar cipher, where each letter was shifted by a few places. That's exactly what we did earlier with your secret message. Why do we need cryptography? Every time you send a message on WhatsApp, buy something online, log into a game, your information, like your password or card number, is traveling through the internet. And guess what? The internet is like a big open road. Other people can see your message if it's not protected. So how do we keep it safe? That's where network security comes in. What is network security? Network security means protecting your data while it's traveling on the internet, just like a security guard protects a building. It makes sure that only the right person gets the message, nobody changes the message. No one else can pretend to be you. Together, cryptography, coding the message, and network security, guarding it, keep your stuff safe and private. A real-life example. Let's say you're logging into your favorite game. You type your username and password. Without cryptography, a hacker could see it and take over your account. But with cryptography, your password gets scrambled using special math. Don't worry, computers do it for you. Even if someone sees it, they'll only see weird code like this: 9F4FE7ABF38. It's impossible to read without the secret key. That's how your account stays safe. Some famous words. Here's a quote by Bruce Schneier, a famous computer security expert. Security is not a product, but a process. That means keeping your data safe isn't just about using one tool. It's about doing the right things, step by step, just like brushing your teeth every day to keep them clean. Why should we care? Because we all use the internet for games, chats, shopping, even schoolwork. Cryptography and network security protect us from hackers, thieves, and online bullies. It's like having a superhero cloak over your messages and actions online. So here's what to remember. Cryptography hides your message in a secret code. Network security protects it from bad guys as it travels across the internet. Together, they help keep your digital life safe, private, and awesome. One last thought from me. In the digital world, privacy is power, and cryptography is your shield.